Waterdrop ClearMax 2000 TDS Electric Countertop Dispenser. Finally, a countertop electric pitcher style from Waterdrop, the ClearMax 0 TDS Rechargeable Dispenser. That's a 4-stage countertop pitcher dispenser with a built-in rechargeable pump and a claim toward instant filtration and convenience. This kind of unit sits in the countertop pitcher category but adds an electric dispense option so you can pump filtered water into a glass without lifting. Waterdrop advertises 4 filtration stages and a 15-cup capacity in the product listing. As with all dynamic marketplace listings, check for current bundle pricing and included filters. User commentary for electric dispensers like the ClearMax is a mix of "so convenient" and "watch the filter live." Many reviewers love the convenience, rechargeable dispensing, good flow for parties or quick refills, and a noticeable reduction in chlorine taste. Others note that filter replacements are an ongoing cost and that countertop units don't reduce TDS as aggressively as row units. They typically remove chlorine, lead, and particulates but retain beneficial minerals. Also, since it's an electronic dispenser, battery life and pump reliability are practical concerns. Some reviewers reported trouble after long, heavy use, while many others had months of problem-free service. Final take for camera. Pros: very user-friendly, portable, no plumbing needed and good for day-to-day drinking water with a neat dispense trick. Cons: ongoing filter cost, battery pump durability questions over long term, and not a substitute for RO if you need ultra-low TDS. If you want an attractive countertop dispenser that's easy to show on camera and super easy for viewers to use, this is a solid pick. And yes, we share by links in description box so viewers can check the live price and current seller reviews.